In this video, I'll show you how to find subreddits on Reddit. So there's a few different ways that you can do it. The first way is by using the search bar at the top. You press on that and then type in your interests. So for example, if you type in cars, then it brings up a list of different communities related to cars. So you can open them and join them. Another way is by typing in find a Reddit. That will also help you find some communities to join. And then finally, if you come to your internet browser, there is a GitHub which gives you an alphabetical list of subreddits with 50,000 subscribers. So if you open that, you can scroll down and see a list of 5,000 different subreddits. So I'll link that below if you want. And that's how you find subreddits on Reddit. If you find this useful, please like and subscribe.